All right, so links are marked for the original top dead center. Same for the intake. 12 millimeters out for the timing chain tensioner. And then we're gonna swap them both at the same time. Make sure you have the 24 ready so you can move the cam gear. Put the top dead center on the old link mark. Lined up. Get the tensioner back in. And then the cam gear should fall into place. You don't want to get it started and use the bolt to force it in because the locating dowel pin will push in further. But this one's set. All the marks are back up, lined back up, and then basically reassemble everything back the way it was.